We are here today in this home in Henry County. I really think y'all are gonna enjoy viewing this home. It is in no HOA on 1.5 acres, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and there's a lot of pluses in this house. Come on in and let's see this home. So when you first come through the double doors of this home, you have an office immediately to your left through these double doors. Substantial office to get a lot of work done with some light coming in. And then we come over to this dining area. Very large light fixture, but you can fit a very large table in here. Love these little windows right here, just adds extra character. And then we make our way into this 2-story living area. One of my favorite things, the focal point, this fireplace and mantle. It has the built-ins on the side, very nice to look at, wonderful centerpiece. Then right over here, you have a covered patio back here. Now the heart of this home is definitely the kitchen, y'all. You've got these elevated quartz countertops and there's plenty of counter space. So if you are a cook, this is for you. Lots of cabinet space as well. Come with me into the pantry, something I want you to see. So you have this walk-in pantry, but something that I have not yet seen before is having the fridge in the pantry, y'all. I don't know how y'all feel about that, but it's not the worst thing in the world. It really isn't, especially when you have this beautiful kitchen. So let's make our way through here. You have a little coat closet right here. And then down this way, you have a half bathroom for guests. And I gotta tell y'all, I am in love with the countertop colors in this house. That wheat color is so gorgeous. Right through here, you have a laundry room with a convenient sink to get your laundry done. And then you have another understairs storage right here. So storage should not be a problem in this house. Through this door, you have the 2-car garage before we come to the primary on the main. So you have the vaulted ceiling in here, lots of light coming in. Through these barn doors, you have the ensuite. You have one closet right here. You already have the built-ins. Super convenient, y'all. You have your dual vanities. And then right here, you have this soaker tub and your glass enclosed shower. You have a water closet right here before we come to the bigger closet with your custom built-ins. And yes, it goes behind the door. So it's plenty of space for everything you need. That's it for downstairs. Let's go upstairs and I really want y'all to see what's next. So we are upstairs and this is what I wanted to show y'all. A whole nother kitchen area up here. You can do a lot with this space, but it's amazing. And right here you have this versatile loft space. So this whole area can just be for entertaining. You cannot beat that. So now let's go up a few more stairs. And we have a full bathroom with a glass enclosed shower. And then we have bedroom number 2. Really decent sized room. And then through these double doors, you have this wide closet. Come on now. And you kind of have this Juliet balcony right here overlooking the living space. And now we are in bedroom number 3. It's a little bit smaller, but you still have this nice wide closet. And this door through here leads into your full bathroom. So that's real convenient as well. I'm gonna just walk in here because again, you have this beautiful tile. I told y'all I love the colors of the countertops, but it really goes well with this neutral tile. And finally, we are in bedroom number 4. Again, this one is also a little tight, but all of these rooms have this double doors with the wide closet. This home is sitting on 1.5 acres with no HOA. I just had to remind you again. It's listed at $599,000, and right now I can work out some amazing incentives for you. Give me a call if you're interested, and I'll see you with the next home.